welcome back to Jenny Moonbloom. If this is your first time here, I'm Jenny and my channel is all things plants. Plant care tips, projects, and experiments. So if that sounds fun to you, come check out my other videos. So right now, I am very excited. I have never ordered any plants online, so I'm about to do my first plant unboxing of a plant that's been on my list for quite some time now. So I have some string of turtles in here that I ordered on Etsy from Urban Leaf Shops, and they've got a lot of really good reviews about how they take care of their plants and how their plants arrive in mail. So I'm really excited to open this. I've never had any plants through the mail before, so I want to do that and share that with you guys. So let's get this box open. All right, my first unboxing, my first plant mail. So I'm really excited. Urban Leaf Plant Shop. Hopefully you did me right. There's a little note on how she cares for it. Lay it on top of soil, leaves up. Underneath each leaf is a note. So that's nice that she sent little basic care tips. Yeah, and I saw lots of pictures from her reviews of really successful propagations and plants that have grown. And they got here fairly quickly. They got here in like 4 days. Took a little longer because there was a holiday weekend, so I don't know if you could see, but they look so good already. Color is good. They're a nice size. They're a lot longer than I thought they'd be. I'm super happy about that. They have lots of leaves. Let's lay them out and see what we're working with. I think in the notes for purchase, it was 3 cuttings, but this is one cutting with like already 2 strands, so that's almost 3 cuttings. A couple little cuttings, so I think she really hooked me up, so thank you, Urban Leaf Jungle, Urban Leaf Shop. Thank you for such a great product. And a little leaf, and apparently you can propagate from a single leaf as well. So there are a couple of leaves on the side. They're super delicate, but they look in good shape. They're not like falling apart in my hand. So, woo, I'm excited. I hope these guys propagate quickly. I've read that they're fairly slow growers, so hopefully we have some success here. And yeah, I was a little hesitant about shopping online for plants because, you know, most fun thing about plants is being able to see them and pick them out, but it's really special when someone else, you know, grows them and picks them out for you and they look like they're well cared for. So perfect. So I'm excited. I'm super happy with my results, my product here. Maybe if I throw them on this way, you can see them better. My next step is to propagate them right away, get them growing right away. I have some sphagnum moss I've kind of started to soak here, so I need to do that for at least a couple more hours. So yay, so successful. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. And I look forward to do more of these in the future. Let me know what you think, and you know, if you have any knowledge on these type of plants, let me know what's up, because I'm super new to these guys and I'd hate to kill them. Thanks for watching the unboxing of my string of turtles. Bye guys.